In front of me is REALME Narzo 50i Prime, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So first of all, open messages or any other area where you can input some text, then tap on New Chat, and here you've got the current keyboard language. To change it, you have to click on Settings icon, go to Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, select the language from the following list. As you can see, it is super long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. Okay, so here we've got the end. So just pick the language that you want to apply, tap on Done. Now you can either remove the unnecessary language, or you can stay with both of them. If you wish to switch between languages, you just have to use space, but I would remove the language to have one language only. And as you can see, this is how you can change keyboard language. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.